Hi everyone, this is a quick review on the Elizavecca Milky Piggy Hair Pore Bubble Black Boom Pore Pack, which is basically a 2-in-1 mask where it is a charcoal mask and it turns into a bubble mask. So basically the packaging, as always, is really adorable. It's basically like devil versus angel, where they combine together to give you a clean face. Basically with this mask is that during the charcoal effect, it's supposed to help maintain the goodness of your skin, like the moisture and stuff, and then the bubbles help smooth out and clean the pores and waste. And the main ingredients that contain in this are the charcoal powder, there's 4% of it, and there's panthenol, which is effective to strengthen and moisturize the skin, and tocopherol acetate to help moisturize and protect the skin and lowers the loss of your moisture, which is amazing for those who have dry skin. But apparently this is also great for those who have oily skin, or if you have pore and sebum trouble, and also great for skin keratin. And basically with this one, what you do is you apply evenly on your face, and I'll show you guys a demo on my hand first before I do it on my face. And then 5 to 10 minutes later, once the pore sort of dry up, the mask sort of dry up, you wash it off, and it's supposed to give you that bubble foamy result. But as you can see, it's not as foamy as the picture, but I'll show you guys on my face really soon and you guys get to see the result. So what I did was, instead of using a brush like they recommend, I noticed that it doesn't really apply as evenly on the brush compared with using my finger, just because I feel like this texture, the consistency is so thick, it is actually better to apply with the finger because it is also quite sticky as well. So I just feel like because it's so thick and it's a little bit sticky, it is much more better using this finger, because your finger tends to warm up the texture. And I mean, I've tried my best to smooth it out as much as I can, but this is the best I could do. And then I waited about 8 minutes, and then I would recommend you doing this in the sink, at the sink area, not on camera like that. But I'm only doing this just because I have to show you guys how it looks like. But for me, I find it more effective actually going to the sink and then get a good amount of water and then start rubbing and massage my face. I take about maybe 2 to 5 minutes doing this, depending how I feel. But I feel like the more water you add, the more foamy it will get. So because I did it on camera, I don't want to get too messy around the floor. But if you do it in front of the sink, it will definitely foam out a lot. But I really like this this part here because it's actually really soothing and really moisturizing, and the smell exactly like the bubble mask as well. So overall, I'm actually really happy with this. As you can see, it brightens my skin straight away, and it sort of does minimize my pores quite a bit, but obviously you see the effect later on during the day, not straight away. So overall, I'm really happy with this mask and I would definitely recommend it, and I think this is a new product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.